Hi, I'm Jamey Harris with Remedy Plumbing. Every day we help homeowners fix the hidden problems that start right here at the tap. Most folks look at their water and think, looks clean to me. Here's the truth. Even safe city water can still carry chlorine, sediment, and microscopic contaminants. Those things affect your skin, your appliances, and even the taste of your coffee. And once you learn what's actually inside your water, you'll never look at it the same again. Most homeowners assume city water is already filtered, but it's not filtered for your home. It's filtered for the public system. City water treatment meets minimum EPA standards, which is great for public safety, but not for your family's long-term comfort. To keep that water safe, as it travels through the miles of underground pipes, cities add chlorine. By the time it reaches your faucet, that chlorine hasn't gone anywhere, and it's doing a number on your home. That's why your skin feels dry after a shower, why your laundry fades, and why your water sometimes smells like a swimming pool. But chlorine isn't the only issue. Here in Athens and Northeast Georgia, our water travels through infrastructure that's been in the ground for decades. That means rust, sediment, and even trace metals can show up by the time it gets to your sink. Then there are minerals like calcium and magnesium. They cause that white crust on your faucets, spots on your glasses, and build up inside your water heater. It may not make your water unsafe, but it sure doesn't make it ideal. At Remedy Plumbing, we've tested water all over our service area. We've seen chlorine levels higher than what's recommended for swimming pools. And when that water passes through your home's copper or PEX lines, the taste, smell, and feel only get worse. When we install a carbon or whole home filtration system, the difference is immediate. The chlorine smell disappears, your showers feel softer, your coffee tastes better, and your appliances last longer. So if you've noticed cloudy glasses, itchy skin, or that strong chlorine odor, it's not just your imagination, it's your water. City water might be safe, but that doesn't mean it's clean. At Remedy Plumbing, we offer free water testing so you can see exactly what's in your water. We'll walk you through your filtration options, no pressure, just honest answers. Because when it comes to your family's health, clarity matters. Clean water shouldn't be a luxury, it should be a remedy. And remember, Dr. Remedy makes house calls.